Howdy folks, my name is Jackson Kaiser, owner and operator of Jack's Burger Barn here in Ashland, Wisconsin. I wanted to show you guys a quick little video on a product that we just changed to, Simix. This product is absolutely phenomenal. We've actually switched over to it for all of our cleaning needs. We use Simix every night here in the dining room. As you can see, we've got a vinyl tile floor. We're having a lot of problems with people slipping and falling. So since we've got this product, it's really made a difference in our day-to-day operations. The product also works really good in the kitchen on really greasy spots. Again, just spray it on and wipe it off. I'm not putting a whole lot of pressure on there. And it's pulling everything right up. We dilute one small scoop of Simix to a bottle of water, and this is just for our everyday cleaning. We've been using this product for about 2 months now. Everybody that has in our organization that uses it, they just rant and rave. You look at my rag. As you can see, that totally pulled up a lot of that grease on there. You see these cutting boards, they got the deep cracks in them, and those, even with bleach, are really hard to get clean. What we do every night now is we spray it down with Simix and we'll let it sit for just a little bit, and we'll go ahead and grab a scrub brush or a rag, and it really pulls all that stuff, those stains out. Susan actually uses it in to clean the deep fryers. She actually makes a little paste, mixes it a little high strength, uses a paste, and it just totally pulls everything off, lifts that grease right off the fryer. It's not a real harsh chemical, so you don't need gloves. You just use it barehanded, and you won't have all them sores and cracks in your skin. So we also use it in our laundry. Pretty much it's an all-purpose cleaner. You can use it for anything.